Okay, good. Geeta, if you you disconnected entire meeting. Just you have to exit, end and exit. You click. Okay, no issues. They restarted a meeting. Here, Access.js and Access OData. This is a interesting topic. For this, you need some JavaScript exposure. Okay, JavaScript exposure. So we discussed till now. We discussed about Fiori. Fiori. What is the Fiori concept? There is a backend system and there is a front-end system. We'll generate data with the backend system like OData services. OData services can be consumed by front-end system. So we seen backend system and front-end system. Coming to Access.js, it's called as server-side JavaScript. It's called server-side JavaScript. So here Access.js, there is no need of backend system separately and front-end system separately. You can write code directly on top of the backend system DB. Okay, here we can build with application directly on top of database, HANA database. That is called Access.js. There are two concepts, Access.js and Access OData. OData also can generate in the same way. So here HANA Access.js, HANA Access JavaScript. Access means extended services. Is a language that can be used as application developer. Is a native HANA development. As we already discussed, there are two types of developments are there: native HANA development, okay, and application level development. If you talk about OData service, we are getting the data from database, but we are developing SCGW, okay, OData services at application server level. Okay, we are developing OData services at the application server level. Now, if you talk about SQL and SQL script, these are all we use it to develop at DB level. There is no involvement of application server here. Okay, in the same way, you can do server-side JavaScript. There is no need of any involvement of application server here. Directly server side DB level, you can develop the application using Access.js. Okay, here application development, business logic and screens, everything will be done directly on the DB. Okay, here there is a Access.js, there is separate syntax will be the JavaScript syntax. Just I'll show you some syntaxes. Here there is no need of two components like OData separately and front-end UFI separately. Here both together will design the application on top of the HANA DB. Okay, it can be used to expose data stored in the database tables or view to the client side. Direct client side developments we can do. Okay, so we can implement business logic, anything. It is almost like a server side JavaScript development. It is almost like a app development, but it is a app development. Previously we are doing app development from the application server side. Application server side we used to create OData services that will be consumed by front end, and we used to develop the applications. Okay, that is front end applications. Now this is server side JavaScript will be starting from the back end applications. Pure native application, pure native mobile application we can develop with the Access.js concepts. Okay, So there is no OData concept here because directly you are accessing the database with the JavaScript code. In JavaScript, you can write business logic and all types of logic directly in the JavaScript. Okay. Now, what is JavaScript? Previously, as a ABAP consultant, if you know normal ABAP, okay, with little bit of SQL, like how to write for all entries and joins, little bit of SQL knowledge, that's enough for our career. Now, entire pattern got changed. Now, if you are a web consultant, technical consultant, you must aware about backend development, like DB level developments, like SQL and SQL script. Okay, because AMDP will use full-fledged SQL script only. So we have to enhance your knowledge on SQL script, SQL. Okay. At the same time, if you talk about front end, previously only one front end is there, SE38 or smart forms using a module puller, like ALV reports. Everything used to be done with normal way. But here, JavaScript, okay, JavaScript also you have to learn. Like we are doing the mobile-based applications, app development. Okay, for that, if you talk about UI5 and Fury or anything, if you talk, you need to have some knowledge on JavaScript and HTML. Okay, backend SQL script, this kind of stuff, and front end JavaScript and Java. Uh, this kind of stuff you require. Okay, so what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language. Okay, it is scripting language means we won't read much business like just if you click on something what should happen, if you click on something what should happen, if you click on save button what should happen, something event based. Okay, this is event based one. Okay, so JavaScript is a same like any program. JavaScript having line executable code, just and JavaScript and HTML both are embedded HTML code. So HTML, if you talk about SAP API code, almost JavaScript and HTML will write together. Okay, and main advantage of the JavaScript, okay, to take up as a front-end development tool, okay, main advantage is lightweight. Okay, many lightweight, and you can write server side as well as client side. Okay, client side execution as well as server side execution. You can write the code, and it is very lightweight application. Okay. JavaScript is intermediate language. So actually, what will happen is interpretation language means just without compiling. Suppose if you write the code and if you execute, it will automatically execute. Okay, there is no need of compiling. Normal ABAP code, what will done? If you activate, then only we can able to execute. Okay, otherwise inactive code cannot be executed. Okay, something message will come, but here not like that. Okay, directly you can run this. Okay. One more thing is JavaScript is freeware. Anybody can use, and there are so many resources sources are available to learn JavaScript. So to expertise JavaScript, W3 schools, there are so many options are there to learn the JavaScript. It is a wide range of people. Like there are so many people are there who can work on JavaScript. So we have to be in those position. Okay, so JavaScript you have to learn with the some web-based portals are there to learn JavaScript. Just whenever I will send you some files, but just go through Google or YouTube or anything. Just to try to learn JavaScript as much as possible if you got a free time. So if you are perfect in JavaScript, you can be perfect in UFI application development. Okay, this is the JavaScript. Okay, HTML, between HTML, just whatever you have to first, you have to specify the script type is JavaScript. Okay, this is the simple code for JavaScript. Hello world. Whenever you write hello world, it will print hello world. Okay, JavaScript, it will give output in this way. See, you can declare variables. Okay, runtime only var y equal to 4. There is no need of data type like integer, character, numeric. The data types are there. No need to declare data types while declaring, because based upon your field. Suppose if I give 4, it will take as an integer. If I give ABC, it will take as a character. So whatever values are you are assigning, based on that, it will take care. Okay, this is the concept of JavaScript. JavaScript is a server-side JavaScript. It is lightweight and it is very fast. The main drawback of Web10 Pro or ABAP screens are heavyweight, heavyweight screens. If you want to open this, it will take so much of time to open any application. Okay, but this JavaScript is very fast and lightweight. So if you want to load any application, within no time the application will load. That's why if you see any app, mobile apps, almost all mobile apps based upon the design based upon the JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript and HTML, like JavaScript mostly will concentrating on logic building. Like if you click on button, what should happen? Okay, if you open screen, oh, what are the items should display? Okay, these are all things will be done by JavaScript. JavaScript is dynamic programming language. It is like a programming language called web. If you see any web development, it may be websites or it may be mobile apps, anything backend will be the JavaScript. Okay, there are two types of application development: client side JavaScript and server side. Uh, Client side JavaScript means you might aware about applet programming in Java. Okay, what is the client side JavaScript? Client side JavaScript and server side JavaScript. Client side JavaScript, normally in a web or anywhere, if you open the transaction and if you click on enter, that automatically takes to you to the database. Okay, here server side JavaScript we will write code at server level. Client side JavaScript we will write code at client side. So it no need to interact with the database. Suppose if you are if you see any of websites, if you make the cursor to the particular, if you put the cursor to the particular page or particular box or particular time, there it will highlight. Okay, this is mouse over. So in websites also, wherever you put the cursor, it will highlight. So for that, it no need to go to database and do the operation. Client side only, we can write all the code. Okay, let's see. If you talk about data types in JavaScript, number, boolean, string. Okay, it will have object and array. Here, different data types are there: number, boolean, string, object, array, null. Okay, there are different data types are available. So string means we can able to state the set of characters and special characters. Everything you can store in a string. Okay, each character is represented using like you can store lot of data in each line. See, normally if you talk about three-tier architecture or if you talk about OData also, it will work as same front end application and back end DBMS. Application server side, you write the code. Okay. Application server side will write the code. It will connect it to the DBMS and it will extract the data. It will display. It will delete any operation. It can be done, and it will show as a three-tier architecture. Okay, if you talk about native HANA development, on top of database, we'll write access related code, JavaScript related code. You can write directly top of the HANA database. So this is the sample code, XJS. Let me open one application and develop. And we'll come into OData later. Let me start some application with Access. This is the code. Let me open a web development perspective. Let me go to DB. Oh, see, XJS. Any project, any Access project I can open. Here, I'm opening at project. I'm opening this project. Right click. XJS, new application, XJS file. You can take any system. You can select the template also. No need to worry about development syntax. If you select the template, everything will be designed in a template. See, application. So this is some basic application got generated. So this is the code. It is very difficult to understand the code. So like variable, some variable declaration. While declaring variable, no need to give any reference, like type I, type J, type N, something. It is not required. some code. I'm activating this. See, what is error? Set forwarding. Yeah.
The screen got freezed. We could not see anything.
Okay, okay, sorry. Here, are you able to see this? This is generated, system generated with the template. Have you seen this? Hello?
Yeah, template we can see, and what code is written?
Yeah, I'll explain. So again, I'm creating new application. Access JavaScript file. This is the generated. So what I do is I'll create this is simple code. So if you see this, response content type equal to HTML, response set body equal to this one. So once if you say this one set body, output will come in this way. So let me validate. This is system response set body. It is correct only. So HTML allowed. So start from HTML. Rename. Here, just team activate. Here run as access service. Actually, there is small issue. Server level is some issue. It is not going to connect. Let me check TV. It's that only why it is. There is an issue with, actually it should run. I think just we are declared and we are passing some output. There is problem with this one, some backend web page related, some options are not there. There is small issue, maybe I'll talk with them. Actually, what will happen is whenever you run this, very simple. Here you'll write the code, JavaScript code, and we will execute in the browser. there is no need of a backend. Automatically it will pick the backend data and it will show. OData also same. OData service also same. Right click. Right click. For that also template will be available. Here also it will generate system code. So let created some application. Here very simple. Suppose if you are passing any table like very simple, just we can take the table name as this is enough. run in OData service. Why it is? It should run as a OData service. Here, if you write in this way, automatically XML file will be generated. How it is generated in OData? In the same way, XML file will be generated. There is some technical issues. Okay, I'll do one thing. For these two applications, I'll create one examples. Okay, you understand it? Right click. Create OData service. Right click, create access service. Inside that, we'll write JavaScript coding. Inside that JavaScript, first access service means it will generate the front end application also. If OData service means it will generate the OData files, OData XML files. If there is some connectivity problem, that's why browser is not opening. I'll talk with them. Just very simple. It is just JavaScript will write. Based on JavaScript, we can generate the front-end applications. Based upon this, we can generate the back-end applications, OData applications. Okay. I'll send you some documentation related to this. Please go through. You can understand. Actually, if you want to get career in the pure HANA native development, this Access.js, Access OData is required. If ABAP on HANA, these are all additional topics. ABAP on HANA, if you know AMDP, ADPC, those application server level programming, that's more than enough. This is native HANA development.
Okay.
Okay. Just you go through. What is my advice is, if you have some free time, please practicing JavaScript. JavaScript is very much useful for you. Okay? JavaScript, just basic JavaScript. You can get some YouTube videos and some documentation also available. Just please, here nothing. Whatever JavaScript you are learning, same JavaScript you implement here. There is no special syntax. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is 6:30 only. Only today only they postponed for 7:30. I don't know the reason. From tomorrow onwards, it is regular session. 6:30.
Yeah, yesterday's Fury session also we haven't received any material related, and today also.
Yeah, I'll send you. I'll send you directly. Like yesterday, I send you directly. Now only I'll send you.
And you said that today we'll have a review session on how far we completed and what we are going to do that something.
Just let me check from my side, and we'll have I'll check. I prepared Excel sheet also. Actually, I prepared Excel sheet also. How much we did. Just we'll have a discussion tomorrow. Okay. Actually, I have to go to office now. So
okay. Yeah, please.
Tomorrow. Okay. I prepared Excel sheet also. Topics we covered. So for your session only, I prepared Excel sheet. We'll discuss in detail about this ANA modeling, what are the concepts we discussed, advanced text analysis, ALB IDA. These are all I mentioned. We'll discuss tomorrow.
Oh.